The following emergency broadcast at the request of the United States President. The zombie virus has gotten too much control of the North American continent. Our army is too weak. We have no more cure guns and gun ammo. We have fallen. We are no longer America. We are nothing to these zombies. But we still have hope. You can fill out a form to go to Mars. Humans like us can live there now. Fill out a form to go at www.nasa.gov. This form expires in 20 minutes. Act fast. Use your rights to protect yourself as American. We will provide details as soon as we get them. Thank you for your cooperation.
Warning about the potential resurgence of so-called zombie viruses, or viruses that can come back from the dead. They say warmer conditions are causing part of the Arctic's permafrost to thaw. If it thaws significantly, they say some viruses that have been lying dormant for tens of thousands of years could reemerge and possibly endanger animals and humans. Scientists say the permafrost acts like a time capsule for viruses and the mummified remains of long-gone animals. NASA wants to see climate concerns addressed.
A emergency broadcast.at the request of the United States. Civil Defense and the CDC organization. Please stand by for more information. A emergency broadcast.at the request of the United States. Civil Defense and the CDC organization. Please stand by for more information. Zombie reports have been reported. All around the world, the zombies have taken control of the United States. We will now resume original programming. Due to the news updates. Thank you.